a brand new video. Today we are doing a video and talking about Nvidia stock. The ticker is NVDA. Now Nvidia is at $460 at the time of this video. It's down 2.4% on the day. Pretty heavy trading volume, I'd say. I think Nvidia is up here number 9 of the more heavily traded stocks on the market today. 772 million. I think actually if we take a look on Yahoo Finance, it should be a little more. Yeah, 85 million trades of Nvidia stock. We take a quick look here at the chart for Nvidia. If this will load for me, internet is slow today. Last month, 3 months, 6 months. 6 months has been a strong chart, right? Based on just where we are in the stock market. Was trading at $227, or let's actually do $227 back in February, and was actually at a high of $478. So it hasn't even fallen off that much over the last, I would say, what is this? It was at 428 on July 10th. So over the last month and a half, has been staying pretty steadily strong. The last 2 years for Nvidia. Obviously, when we were in a bear market, $120 per share, and then like I said, the recent all-time high recent high of the last 2 years was at July 24th, and it really coincides, in my opinion, here with the rise of the AI interest. Right here is the Google trend search for AI. Right, this is Argentina, but let's just do worldwide. Here's the Google trend search for AI worldwide, and you can see, I mean, it almost coincides completely, the AI interest over time in comparison with Nvidia's interest, or Nvidia's stock price rising. So let's get into this. Again, I made one previous video, I think, in Nvidia, but this is not a stock I've covered too much on the channel. Really quickly, if you're unfamiliar with Nvidia as a whole, right? Nvidia, massive kind of ecosystem, right, that they are essentially behind, right? Or I don't really know how to explain it, but I mean, they are semiconductor is what their technical niche is, right? But you can see here the recent breakthroughs in generative AI bring a new level of versatility insights to the enterprise. Now the world's most advanced AI platform, Nvidia AI, brings cutting-edge advancements to every organization with innovation at every layer. The AI supercomputer, platform software, and AI models and services. The possibilities are infinite. You can engage the platform at any layer and anywhere across public and private clouds. Start your AI journey now. So Nvidia, as you can see here, Nvidia hype is fueling fresh FOMO. People were talking about Nvidia possibly being the next Tesla, as far as not in the EV space, but just as the price and the rampant price run up that Tesla saw a few years back. But you can see here, while traders certainly don't feel we're entirely out of the woods yet when it comes to the economic turndown, we're seeing an influx of cautious optimism, says head of trading services at Charles Schwab. There's no doubt, thanks to the sunnier economic picture overall this quarter, the jobs market may be cooling somewhat, but it continues to be strong. Employment remains remarkably low, especially compared to pandemic-era highs. Even the most recent inflation numbers, while they do indicate a modest rise, are a far cry from the highs we saw in 2022. So you can see here, if Nvidia is the market's AI bellwether, things look good. Nvidia's second quarter net sales surged 101% from the prior year to 13.5 billion in earnings per share, improved a staggering 429% year to year. Similar to its mind-blowing May outlook that walked Wall Street, Nvidia served up another eye-popping forecast, one that was even higher than the numbers whispered around Wall Street, sending the analysis estimate sharply higher and critically higher for a lot of tech names Nvidia mentioned on its EPS call, such as Meta. So we take a look at a few different things here. One, I want to talk about this article on Reuters, specifically talking about Nvidia adds jet fuel to AI optimism with record results, $25 billion buyback. So you can see here, Nvidia's additional $25 billion in share repurchase announced Wednesday come as shares have already tripled this year, making the company the first ever trillion-dollar chip business, as investors bet Nvidia will be a key beneficiary to the AI boom. I do think, even given where this chart reads as far as like AI interest, I don't even think the boom has happened yet. I think we're still very early on here in the AI craze. Analysts have estimated that the demand for Nvidia's prized AI chips is exceeding supply by at least 50%, adding that the imbalance will stay in place for the next several quarters. So here's the CEO of Nvidia. Companies worldwide are transitioning from general purpose to accelerating computing and generative AI. It's massive, you guys. I think the niche, I'm not saying, and I don't want to give a price prediction or anything like this, but I mean, like $1,000 per share is not out the realm of possibilities. Like literally, in my opinion, I don't think that is out the realm of possibilities here. You can see here, Nvidia gives Tesla a run for its money. Nvidia also outshines Tesla in terms of expected fundamental growth. Right, analysts now think Nvidia will make $10.82 a share in calendar 2023. That's a growth of 224%. They think Tesla's adjusted earnings per share, this income, will fall 15% to $4.92 per share. Next calendar year, the company's growth will be much closer. Nvidia's adjusted calendar 2024 profit is rising 42.1%, practically in a dead heat with Tesla at 42.7%. So let's just take a look at a few tweets here as well that I wanted to share. NVIDIA CEO on AI revolution. We have reinvented computing for the first time since IBM.
Reinvented computing for the first time since the IBM system.
Just take that in, you guys. I mean, NVIDIA stock, till the start of the AI mania in December 2022, NVIDIA largely tracked the dollar liquidity index pretty closely. AI mania begins, like I said, correlates to this exact time frame here. And you can see here, dollar liquidity was pretty even with NVIDIA, and then AI goes crazy and it continues to run up. Very interesting stuff here. This is interesting too. I wanted to share. Shout out to Gavin on Twitter. This is where Kathy Wood sold NVIDIA. Kathy owned 800 shares of NVIDIA in ARK before selling it at the bottom in November, right? Absolutely crazy time for her to sell. Is really when it started to run up. And then here finally this tweet as well. Oh no, this is completely irrelevant, guys. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about NVIDIA. I think this is super interesting stock here. Obviously in the AI sector is extremely bullish moving forward. Drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.